Voicemail. Set up voicemail. To set up voicemail, from the home screen, select the phone app. Select the visual voicemail icon. Select Begin Setup. Select Finish. Access and check voicemail. When you receive a new voicemail, the voicemail icon will be displayed in the notification bar. You can also access and check your voicemail by selecting and holding the 1 key from the dial pad. From the visual voicemail app, select the desired voicemail message. Select the play icon to play the message. Select the pause icon to pause. To delete a message, select the menu icon, then select Delete. Select Yes to confirm. Change voicemail password. To change your voicemail password, from the visual voicemail app, select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Change Password. Enter the new password, then select Next. Enter the password again to confirm, then select OK. You can also access your voicemail to change your password by selecting and holding the 1 key from the dial pad and following the prompts. However, you must know your current voicemail password. If you have forgotten your existing voicemail password, you will not be able to access your voicemail until you reset your voicemail password. To reset your voicemail password, go to att.com/resetvm. Voicemail settings. To access voicemail settings, from the visual voicemail app, select the menu icon. Select Settings. Edit the settings as desired.